Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you are here today because what I am about to teach you in this video is going to change the way you speak English forever. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had something important to say, but the moment you opened your mouth, the words just disappeared? Have you ever felt your heart beating so fast before speaking English in public that you thought, I cannot do this? Have you ever watched someone speak English confidently and thought, why can I not do that? I want that too. If you said yes to any of those questions, this video is made exactly for you. Stay with me until the very end, because today I am going to give you real tools, real phrases, real techniques, and a completely new mindset that will help you speak English confidently in public and remove that fear once and for all. You deserve to be heard. You deserve to express yourself clearly, and you are capable of so much more than you think. Let us begin. First, I want you to understand something very important. The fear of speaking English in public is not because you are weak. It is not because you are not smart enough. It is simply because no one taught you how to handle this fear. Today, I am going to teach you exactly that. By the end of this lesson, you will have confidence phrases, speaking strategies, pronunciation tips, real-life dialogues, and a powerful mindset that will push you forward every single day. This is not just a grammar lesson. This is a life lesson. Speaking English confidently can open doors to better jobs, stronger friendships, greater opportunities, and a higher quality of life. People will respect you more. You will respect yourself more. So please, take this seriously and let us do this together. Now let us talk about where fear comes from. The number one reason people fear speaking English is not lack of vocabulary. It is the fear of making mistakes. Let me say that again. The fear of making mistakes. Every learner thinks, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? What if I forget what to say? Here is the truth. Every single person who speaks English fluently today made thousands of mistakes to get there. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy. The moment you stop speaking because of fear, you stop growing. So from today, we are changing this belief. Mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies. Let us now move into vocabulary. I want to teach you some powerful words that confident speakers use every day. The word is express. To express means to say what you think or feel. Use it like this. I want to express my opinion. Or, let me express how I feel about this. The next word is clarify. To clarify means to make something clear. Use it like this. Let me clarify what I mean. Or, can you clarify that for me, please? Next word is suggest. To suggest means to offer an idea. I would like to suggest a different approach. Or, may I suggest something? Next word is confident. Feeling sure and positive about yourself. I feel more confident when I prepare. Or, you should be confident in your ability. Next word is contribute. To add something valuable, I want to contribute to this conversation. Or, everyone has something to contribute. Now let us go deeper. I want to teach you daily use phrases that confident English speakers use naturally. These phrases will make you sound professional and polished. Phrase 1. Actually, I think this is a great way to share your opinion politely. Actually, I think we should try a different method. Actually, I think that is a wonderful idea. Phrase 2. In my opinion. This helps you express your view clearly. In my opinion, communication is the most important skill. In my opinion, we need more time to prepare. Phrase 3. To be honest, this phrase shows you are being real and sincere. To be honest, I was nervous before this meeting. To be honest, I am still learning, but I am improving every day. Phrase 4. What I mean is, this is perfect when you want to explain yourself better. What I mean is, we need a clearer plan. What I mean is, I am not disagreeing with you, I just have a different perspective. Phrase 5. Could you please repeat that? Never be afraid to ask someone to repeat themselves. This is not weakness. This is smart communication. Could you please repeat that? I want to make sure I understood correctly. Phrase 6. Let me think about that for a moment. This phrase buys you thinking time and sounds completely natural and professional. Let me think about that for a moment. That is a great question. Let me think about that for a moment. These phrases are your best friends. Practice them. Say them in front of the mirror. Use them in real conversations. They will make you sound confident even when you are still learning. Now let us talk about sentence patterns. Sentence patterns are like formulas. Once you learn the formula, you can create hundreds of sentences. Pattern 1, I would like to plus verb. I would like to share my experience. I would like to ask a question. I would like to introduce myself. Pattern 2, could you please plus verb? Could you please explain that again? Could you please send me the details? Could you please give me some feedback? Pattern 3, I am not sure, but I believe plus statement. I am not sure, but I believe the meeting is at 3 o'clock. I am not sure, but I believe this is the right direction. Pattern 4, one thing I have noticed is plus observation. One thing I have noticed is that confidence grows with practice. One thing I have noticed is that people respect those who speak clearly. These patterns are practical, professional, and natural. Use them every single day. Now let us do a real-life dialogue. This is a workplace situation. Pay attention to how the speaker handles a moment of uncertainty. Colleague says, can you present your project update in the meeting today? You say, of course. I would like to share what the team has accomplished so far. Give me a moment to organize my thoughts. Colleague says, no problem. We start in 10 minutes. You say, perfect. I am ready. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Notice what happened there. You did not panic. You asked for a small moment to prepare. You responded calmly and professionally. This is confident communication. Let us now talk about pronunciation. Pronunciation is a very important part of confidence. When you pronounce words clearly, people understand you better and you feel more powerful. Tip 1. Slow down. Many learners speak too fast when they are nervous. Slowing down helps your pronunciation improve instantly. Breathe. Speak slowly. Be clear. Tip 2. Open your mouth more. A lot of learners mumble because they do not open their mouth fully. Try this. Say the word important. Now say it again and really open your mouth. Important. You hear the difference? Much clearer. Tip 3. Stress the right syllable. In English, every word has a stressed part. For example, the word confident. The stress is on the first part. Confident, not confident. The word professional. The stress is on the second part. Pro-fes, psi and al. Tip 4. Link your words. In natural English, words flow together. For example, instead of saying, what do you do? A native speaker says, what do you do? Instead of saying, I am going to, we often say, I'm gonna. You do not have to speak exactly like this, but understanding it helps you listen better and feel less confused. Now let us talk about a very common mistake learners make. Many learners say, my English is not good. Stop saying this. This sentence programs your brain to believe it is true. Instead, say this. My English is improving every day. Say it now. My English is improving every day. Feel the difference? That is the power of positive language. Another common mistake is using the wrong filler words. Many learners say, so, or you know too much. Instead, use smart fillers like, that is a great question, or let me think about that, or what I mean to say is, these fillers sound intelligent and give you time to think. Cultural tip for you. In many cultures, it is seen as humble or polite to stay silent when you do not know something. But in English-speaking professional environments, speaking up, asking questions, and sharing your ideas is seen as confidence and intelligence. You will not seem rude. You will seem engaged and smart. So please, speak up. Now it is time for your practice section. I want you to repeat after me. Say each phrase out loud. Do not just read it in your head. Your mouth muscles need to practice. Ready? Repeat after me. I am a confident English speaker. Say it again. I am a confident English speaker. Now this one. I express my ideas clearly and calmly. Again. I express my ideas clearly and calmly. Now this one. Every day my English gets better and better. Say it louder. Every day my English gets better and better. Wonderful. Now let us do a speaking drill. I will give you a situation. You respond using one of the phrases you learned today. Situation 1. Your manager asks for your opinion on a new project idea. Your response should start with, in my opinion, try it now. In my opinion, this project has great potential and I would like to contribute to it. Situation 2. Someone asks you a question you did not fully understand. Your response should start with, could you please try it? Could you please repeat that? I want to make sure I understood correctly. Situation 3. You are in a meeting and want to share an idea. Your response should start with, I would like to try it. I would like to suggest a different approach that might save us some time. You are doing so well. I am so proud of you for practicing out loud. This is exactly what builds real confidence. Now let us talk about shadowing practice. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your spoken English. Here is how you do it. Find a short video or audio of a confident English speaker. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat that sentence exactly. Copy the rhythm, the speed, the emotion, the stress. Do this every single day for just 10 minutes. In 30 days, you will sound dramatically more natural. I promise you. Now let us talk about real-life applications. How do you use this confidence in actual situations? In a job interview, the interviewer asks, "Tell me about yourself." You say, "Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Amina, and I have 5 years of experience in customer service. I am passionate about helping people, and I am excited to bring my skills to your team." Notice, you thanked them. You introduced yourself clearly. You showed passion. You ended with a forward-looking statement. Confident, warm, professional. In a meeting, your boss says, "Does anyone have any ideas?" You say, "I would like to suggest something if that is okay. I have noticed that our current process takes a lot of time. What if we tried doing it this way instead?" Notice, you asked permission politely, you shared an observation, you offered a solution. This is how confident people speak in meetings, on the phone. You call a company. The person answers. You say, "Good afternoon. My name is David, and I'm calling to inquire about your services. Could you please direct me to the right department?" Clear, polite, confident, simple. In a social situation, you meet someone new at a gathering. You say, "Hi, I do not think we have met. My name is Sarah. I am really enjoying this event. How do you know the host?" Warm, friendly, easy, natural. These are all situations you will face. Practice them, prepare for them, and when the moment comes, you will be ready. Now let us talk deeply about building your confidence. I want you to know something from the heart. You are already brave. The fact that you are learning a second language is something most people in the world will never do. You are doing something extraordinary. Please never forget that. Here is a 3-step mindset system I want you to follow every single day. Step 1, prepare. Before any situation where you need to speak English, take a few minutes to prepare. Write down key phrases you might use. Practice saying them. Preparation destroys panic. Step 2, breathe. Right before you speak, take one slow, deep breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. This calms your nervous system and slows your heart rate. It takes only 3 seconds and it works every single time. Step 3, speak first. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Speak first. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Confidence is not a feeling you wait for. It is a skill you build by doing. And here is your golden rule. 1 conversation a day. That is all I ask. 1 conversation in English every single day. It does not have to be long. It does not have to be perfect. Just 1 conversation. With a colleague, with a friend, with yourself in the mirror, with a language partner online. 1 conversation a day will transform your English in 6 months. I guarantee it. Now let us do a quick summary and revision of everything we covered today. We talked about why fear of speaking English happens and why mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies. We learned powerful vocabulary: express, clarify, suggest, confident, contribute. We practiced daily use phrases. Actually, I think, in my opinion, to be honest, what I mean is, could you please repeat that? Let me think about that for a moment. We mastered sentence patterns. I would like to plus verb. Could you please plus verb? I am not sure, but I believe. One thing I have noticed is, we worked on pronunciation tips. Slow down, open your mouth, stress the right syllable, link your words naturally. We learned about common mistakes and how to fix them. We practiced real-life dialogues in interviews, meetings, phone calls, and social situations. And we built a mindset system. Prepare, breathe, speak first. You now have everything you need to start speaking English confidently in public and removing that fear from your life. I want you to do one thing right now. In the comment section below, write 1 English sentence using any phrase you learned today, just 1 sentence. This is your first step. Take it right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to yours. If this video helped you, please press the like button. It truly helps this channel reach more learners around the world who need this lesson just like you did. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a lesson. Every week, I bring you powerful, practical English lessons that will change your life. You are not alone on this journey. I am here with you every step of the way. You are capable. You are ready. You are becoming more confident every single day. Now go out there and speak. The world is waiting to hear your voice.